Welcome to another epic adventure at Weaver's Stonehouse Farms. And I'm here. I'm taking a picture with us there.
We're being watched.
They're like, hey, 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 hey. Finally got a piece of steel for the door. Price of steel right now is absolutely insane. So I got that in my local scrapyard. Thankfully, their prices are not through the roof yet. 17 bucks. So we're welding a door on the front end of my boiler, which is going to be a first because I've never had a door on my boiler now. Got my hinges fitted up here. I got the height about where I want it with that board, but I'm going to weld these on first. See the welder setup? Tractor welder. Okay, let's go. Okay, hopefully this doesn't fall down. We're going to be using good old 718 welding rods today. Lincoln 718. You know why they're my favorite? They work for everything. So what I decided to do was go ahead and weld in the holes where typically screws would have held the hinges in place here. So that's what I'm doing, is welding those 3 holes per. Alright, so some of you savvy people out there are going to be asking you, hey, Aaron Weaver, my boiler guy, there's no hole in your door. Where's your combustion air going to come from? Well, we didn't put a latch on the other side because we're just putting a large cement block against to hold it in place. And I dug out underneath the door a little bit to let some air through the bottom, which works perfect. No problem there. So I wanted to keep the top closed in and the sides closed in because it doesn't draft exactly the best, but that's okay because we need slow flames to get the heat to fans. Yeah, it's almost there. Woo! You got door. 35. Have an actual door. Well, thanks for following along. Like it and subscribe and enjoy. Yeah. There's the cows. May 23rd, butcher date for one of them.